Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to explain you how to make yearly conspectus, that is yearly plan in social science subject of 7th class. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಇಯರ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಯರ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನಾಗ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಯರ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರ ನಂತರ ಲೆಸನ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಠ ಯೋಜನೆ. ಹೌದಾ, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಇಯರ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇನ್ ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಯು ಅಬೌಟ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್. ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಲೆಸನ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದು 7th ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಇಯರ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಇದೆ. ಹೌದಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ. ಆಗ ನೀವು ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೀಚ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದಿ serial number of the lessons, that is 1 2 3 like this. And in month ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜೂನ್ ಅಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ ಇಯರ್. ಜೂನ್ ಮಂತ್ ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಠಗಳನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಮಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಜೂನ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 3 sections in the class 7th social science textbook. Those are history, civics and geography. What you have to do while you are going to teach, you have to select lessons. First you have to divide total lessons into 2 parts. 3 section today ಒಟ್ಟು total 14 ಪಾಠದವು. What you have to do, you have to divide these 14 chapters into 2, one for FA1 and the another for FA2. You have to complete FA1 and FA2 before the SA1 exam. So what I have done here is that I have selected 4 lessons from history, 1 lesson from civics and 2 lessons from geography for FA1 period. Okay, the remaining will be for the FA2 paper and the whole 14 chapters will be for SA1 exam, which will be conducted in the month of September. Okay, see, section, in the section column you have to write first section, that is whether you are teaching lesson from history, civics or geography. You have to write history, then the number of lesson, it may be 1 2 3 any number. First I have taken history section and the first lesson, that is major developments in the world. ಹೌದಾ, ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಪಾಠ ಯಾವುದು, ಮೇಜರ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡಿನಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಸ್ ಐತಿಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ದಾಗ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಹೆಸರು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದಿ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ and this is a section. Here number of periods should be maintained. Okay, 3 plus 1 means I can complete in 3 or plus 1 4 periods. I can complete this lesson. Okay, like that. Civics, from civics section I have taken 9th lesson, that is the introduction to legislative, executive and judicial terminologies. I can complete this lesson in 5 plus 1, that is 6 periods. Okay, I can complete 6 periods this 9 chapter of 6. Okay, like that. From geography I have taken 12th chapter, that is physical divisions of India. Physical divisions of India, this chapter can be completed by me in 3 plus 1, that is 4 periods. Okay, Then history I have taken second lesson. Medieval Europe. Medieval Europe can be completed in 5 plus 1 6 periods. Then third lesson, the advent of Europeans to India. It can be completed in 3 plus 1 4 periods. Okay, so here you have to write total number of lessons. I can teach total 5 lessons in the month of June. So I have written here number 5. Then total number of periods 24. You have to count all these numbers and it can amount to 24. Okay, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಟು 24. ಅದು 24 ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 24 days ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಮಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಜೂನ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಬಿಲೋ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು sign teacher signature. So I have signed here. Then later you can take your headmaster's signature. In this column you have to give reason in case you don't complete the lesson in the stipulated time period. Okay, ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಅವಧಿ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಸನ್ ಕಾರಣ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ರೀಸನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇನ್ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ನೀವು ಭಾಗವನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಸನ್ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು ರೀಸನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಒಳಗೆ 13th ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಅಮೇರಿಕಾ. ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ 8 plus 1, that is 9 periods. Then history, from history 4th chapter India in the 18th century. This can be completed in 3 periods. Okay, then after completing these 7 chapters there will be FA1 exam in the month of July, approximately in the first or second weeks of July. Okay, that can be held in 3 to 4 days. Okay, that is 2 papers a day. Okay, then after FA1 exams you have to start FA2 portion. Okay, these lessons belong to FA2 portion. Okay, then here from history I have taken 5th lesson, the growth of British supremacy. It can be completed in 5 plus 1 6 periods. Then from civics 10th chapter Union government. This can be completed in 5 to 1 6 periods. Okay, here in the month of July I can complete 4 lessons. So I have written here 4. Total number of lessons that I can teach, I can complete in the month of July are 4. Okay, then total number of periods 25 plus 7 means there are 27 days available for teaching in the month of July. So we have to add 25 plus 2 means 27 days. Okay, and these number of periods should amount to the number of days available for teaching. Okay, see next. Here also from geography I have taken 14th chapter South America in 4 plus 1 5 periods. From history 6th chapter impact of British rule in 4 periods. From civics 2nd chapter state government, it can be completed in 4 periods. Then from history 7th chapter Mysore and other provinces in 6 periods. And from history itself 8th chapter Bhakti, cult and Sufi heritage. It can be completed in 5 periods. Okay, so I have written here 5, number 5 as I can teach these 5 lessons in the month of August. September month has been earmarked for FA2 exams and SA1 exams. Okay. After SA1 there will be Dasara holidays. So in this video I have shown only yearly prospectus for the first semester. Okay. You have to make the second semester prospectus like this one. See, I have divided total number of lessons into FA1 and FA2 lessons. These 4 for FA1 from history, this 9th chapter from civics for FA1, these 2 for FA2, and history, these 5 from history, these 5, 6, 7, 8 chapters for FA2, and from geography 12th chapter for FA1 and 13th and 14th for FA2. Okay, this type you have to divide the total number of lessons, then make yearly conspectus. Thank you all of you. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe my channel and give a like to the video. Thank you. See you in the next video.